If you're seeing a GOG communication error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest fix you can try first. This is a simple step, but it solves a lot of connection issues with GOG Galaxy and can get your client working again in just a minute or two. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and gaming help. Now let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is restart your PC completely. Don't just close the GOG Galaxy window, actually reboot your computer so all background services, temporary files, and stuck network processes get refreshed. A full restart is often enough to clear the communication error because it gives your system and the launcher a clean start. Once your computer has restarted, go ahead and launch the GOG Galaxy client again. Give it a moment to load fully and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, the problem disappears right after the reboot and the app opens normally. If GOG Galaxy still shows the same communication error after restarting, try closing the client again, waiting a few seconds, and opening it once more. Sometimes the launcher just needs one clean relaunch after the system restart to reconnect properly. This is one of the easiest fixes to test first because it doesn't require any advanced steps and it can save you time before moving on to more complicated troubleshooting. So to recap, if you get a GOG communication error, restart your PC, then launch GOG Galaxy again and check if it loads correctly. If this solved your issue, let me know by liking the video and subscribe so you don't miss more simple fixes like this in the future. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.